Kuya Jason and si Pogs medyo doubtful pa for the early part of the series. But sa paparating na finals, how optimistic are you po of the guard depth that you have right now? Thank you.
It really doesn't matter who is on the roster, who's 100%. It doesn't affect our optimism because I feel that if we are coming into this series with less than 100% belief, then we have no chance. So it starts from there. We have to have the belief that regardless of who's healthy or not, that we are going to come out and play our best game. The problem is, even if we bring out our best game, it's not a guarantee that we will beat a team as strong as San Miguel. But in the end, that's all we can do. All we can do is do our best. And then if that happens to be enough, then so be it. But if not, then it doesn't bother us too much. It doesn't affect our belief on whether we have Jason and Roger. They're big part of our team. But in terms of our belief, it doesn't bother us too much.